Welcome to our channel. If you want to clear or modify app permissions on Android to enhance your privacy and security, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Android device and scroll down to find Apps or Applications in the main Settings menu. Step 2. Tap on Apps to view the complete list of installed applications on your device. You can also access this through privacy settings in some Android versions. Step 3. Select the app whose permissions you want to review or modify. This will open the app's detailed information page with various options. Step 4. Tap on Permissions to view all the permissions that the app has been granted, such as camera, microphone, location, contacts, storage, and more. Step 5. Review each permission carefully to understand what access the app has to your device's features and personal data. Tap on any permission to see more details. Step 6. For each permission, you'll have options such as Allow, Ask Every Time, or Don't Allow. Choose the option that best matches your privacy preferences. Step 7. To completely revoke a permission, select Don't Allow, or toggle off the permission switch. Be aware that removing essential permissions may cause the app to malfunction. Step 8. Repeat this process for any other apps where you want to modify permissions. It's good practice to review app permissions periodically to maintain your privacy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.